Hi dearest, I just bought this mini sewing machine. If you have one, do let me know in the comment section below. Now, if you're just starting up your millinery business and don't have enough funds for a sewing machine, you could go for this one. If you have already started and you do some traveling or you have a lot of traveling you know you can actually carry your business along with you by carrying this lovely, cute mini sewing machine. Okay. In case you want to purchase one, you can check the description below. You have Amazon, AliExpress, and my own links to purchase one for yourself. And also to learn how to use it, I have dropped a link also in the description below.